Welcome to Beauty Luxurious Multinational Terraz Company. We are honored to have you here. Beautiful, luxurious multinational. Terraz Company for new modern technology standards. Innovations luxurious wood industries with European standards kitchens, dressing room and modern dining room interiors. Modules with standard furniture, cabinetry and modern decoration since 16 years. Beauty Terraz kitchens, dressing room and dining room. Interiors modules represents functionality, without visual noise. Handleless systems, integrated appliances, intelligent storage. This space demonstrates how technology disappears, leaving only pure design. Comfort is engineered. Silence is intentional. This is Beauty Terraz Dressing Gallery, where organization becomes architecture. Designed for clients who appreciate precision and presentation. Minimalist design enhances focus. Premium materials reinforce confidence. Environmentally eco-friendly. Standard quality, modern interiors, and excellent service. Beautiful, luxurious multinational Terraz Company, simply the best. Wishing you and your family a peaceful month filled with blessings, love, health, wealth, and prosperity. Joyful memories. Ramadan Kareem.